Write an expression for each of the following. We're just going to do one at a time. I think of a number n, I then add 5 and multiply the result by 2. So think of a number n, I then add 5, so it's plus 5, and then the result of that is multiplied by 2. So as it's the result, I need to put brackets around it and put the 2 in the front. We don't put any multiplication signs in when we're using algebra. B, I think of a number, I then subtract 4 and divide the result by 3. So think of a number, I subtract 4, and I divide the result by 3. Now, division in algebra is done by using fractions, so we put divide by 3. You don't need to put any brackets on that. That line now acts as a bracket. So that is the final answer. C is a little bit tricky. I think of a number, n, and then divide by 2, and then subtract the result from 8. So I think of a number, I divide by 2, that's okay, n divided by 2. And then this is subtracted from 8. So that's written as 8 minus n over 2. Subtract from 8, keyword there. And D, I think of a number n and then multiply by 5 and then subtract by 6. So D, I think of a number n, I multiply by 5, so it becomes 5n, and then subtract 6, take away 6. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to take expressions and then write the algebraic expression for each one of those sentences. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.